Can AI trading bots actually make you money, or are they just hyped up algorithms? First, we're diving into NovaBot. Step 1. Set up your API keys from your chosen crypto exchange. Step 2. Configure your risk settings. NovaBot allows you to set stop loss and take profit levels to minimize potential losses and secure profits. Step 3. Backtest your strategies. NovaBot's backtesting feature is crucial. It lets you see how your strategy would have performed historically. Analyze the results and adjust accordingly before risking real capital. Now let's examine BloomBot. Step 1. BloomBot boasts an integrated AI that learns from market data, promising superior trade prediction. Step 2. Choose from preset strategy templates or create your own custom strategy based on technical indicators. Step 3. Monitor your trades through BloomBot's real-time dashboard, assessing performance and making adjustments as needed. The key difference: NovaBot prioritizes user control, while BloomBot leans on its AI for automated decisions. In our tests, NovaBot required more manual tweaking for optimal results, but offered transparency. BloomBot offered less configuration, but potentially higher gains with its AI-powered predictions. So, which bot reigns supreme? It depends. If you want hands-on control, NovaBot's your choice. If you want AI-powered automation, give BloomBot a try. Remember, no bot guarantees profit. Always invest responsibly.